when the time is right and I'm not alone.
Summer, so we start decorating this space. Look at all of this space here. Summer, we're going to put some chairs, just make it homey. Thinking of putting a green grass all through, yeah, it's going to be so awesome out here during summer. Oh my god, look how bad the weather is, people. The weather isn't good. I am going to the jacuzzi. I'm going to have my steam bath and also get into the hot tub. Yeah. Come with me. That is how I'm dressed. I'm gonna just go down, have some coffee, have my me time alone. Hobby is right here. He's doing his stuff. This is Hobby right here. Hobby's head is hot. Babe, what are you doing? Adult who is stressing you? Bills. Bills are stressing you up. Bills they stress you up.
Yeah.
Bills they prepare you.
to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Just gonna relax here a little bit.
I know the hour's getting late. I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.
Oh my god, this is so, and it's so hot. Oh Jesus, this is so hot. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I'm out of the world.
Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be.
So I'm going out to the steam room. After steaming, and I go home. I think I've spent like about 20 minutes here, and it's enough. Yeah, I'm so refreshed. Oh my god, to think I'm not even making use of this facility is, I've not been down here for like a week. Can you imagine? Okay guys, let me get into the steam room. I wanted to use the sauna, but Jose is not here, so I'm going to use the steam room by myself. All right, see who is pulling up after I've been waiting for him. I've been waiting for him to come and take me pictures. Look at when Mr. Zoe is coming. Ah, this guy fold my hand. Oh, I'll just get my thumbnail pictures from the video. Guys, I just had my steam bath. Oh, all this sweat is from that. This is so beautiful. Unfortunately, I can't take my phone inside, of course. How do you want me to do that? All right, I'm gonna take my shower now then. Bye. Hello, boys and girls. Hi. I'm going out after a very long time, so we're going to discover this cool restaurant not too far from our house. So we're going to have some cocktails. So just a casual evening, yeah, nothing serious. I put some makeup today. I always look like Miriamaka. This time around, a little bit of makeup. Babe, let's go. Stepping out, and I decided to make a change on how I look. So this is how I look. See my big tummy. Yeah, I'm just holding this bag. It's kind of cold. Yeah, I think I'll show the full look in the mirror outside. Yeah, people, so this is the full look right here. It's clearly written, but he can't find it. Hello.
I'm thinking you were made for me.
Yeah,
Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one that things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with that bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All those second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights.